Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel for the next video. I'll be making this video after a long time. Earlier I have started with this MySQL video where I have done with the basics of MySQL, like how to create the table, how to create the database, how to insert the values, how to update the values, and how to select the values. In this video I'll be starting with MySQL joins. So first of all, I'll start with this join. You can see that join. What is join? We can join two tables, more than one tables. Basically, if you're having two tables or more than two tables, we can join two tables. So how to create the tables? How to apply the join conditions and how to perform joins. So first we will see the join condition. I'll show you. First of all, I'll just show you how to perform the join condition. Join condition, we have this equi join. Equi join we can perform where column is common in both the tables. Column is common in both the tables. And also values are matching in common columns. Then we can perform equi join. So for performing the equi join, first of all I'll create two table. First of all I'll create one table as an employee, another table as a department. So here I'll just show you how to just start with this database. I'll be creating the database. For example, create database Sandeep. I'll use this database. So use the database, and now I'll create the table. Create table employee, and for this employee table I'll write here emp id. We'll make it integer. Emp name, we'll make it character. Then department id, so we'll make it integer. So table is created here. Now insert some values here. So insert into employee values. Employee values. (101). Name of the employees. Then department ID, put 100. I can change here. Rajat. Department ID 200. One more value I can keep here. 3. And what I'll do, I'll make it 100 also. So I've taken here three values, 100, 200 and 100. Okay. Now I'll create another table, department. Create table, department, and for this department table I'll keep two columns. department ID having data type integer, department name, I'll make it character, insert values, hundred. For example, I'll write here IT. One more column I'll write here 200 and I'll make it CS. I'll just display select star from employee. This is the employee table. Select star from department. You can see. You can see I have created two tables. One is employee table and one is department table. And in the definition I have told, you can see here in the definition part, we can apply equi-join where the column name is common in both the tables and also values are matching. Then we can perform equi-join, right? So here for this table, for employee table, you can see that DID is here. So DID is common in both the tables. And apart from that, you can see the values for the DID column is here 100, 200 and 100. And again this is 100 and 200. So you can see that column name is also matching and values are also matching. So now we can perform equi-join here. Now, if we are performing equi-join, now how to write the query? So we'll write here select. So what I'll do, I'll take employee ID, or you can say that employee name. So I can take employee name, then department ID, DID and the DID D name from both the tables. See, the DID is common in both the tables. So we'll take DID from the department table, right? And when you are selecting the column name, you have to write down the name of the column along with the name of the table. So select this EMP name, we'll write here employee dot EMP name. You can see this. Whenever you type this employee dot EMP name, then you are selecting this DID. As I said, the DID should select it from the second table. So that is department dot DID, then department dot D name. So that is the column list, right? When you are selecting this, as you can see here, when you are selecting this, what is the query for this particular table? When you are selecting select, you need to write here column list from, there are two tables, so table 1 comma table 2, and then we have to write the where condition. Where condition. So this is the syntax for join condition. Select column list from table 1 and then where condition. So we'll write here from table 1 is here employee, table 2 is the department where. See how we are putting the condition. You know, the column is common from both the tables, right? The values from the department ID should be equal to the values from the another table. So where this department ID from employee, that should equal to the department ID from the department. So we can write here employee dot DID is equal to department dot DID. you can see that is the join condition and the join values from both the tables. Select employee dot emp name, department dot did, department dot dname from table 1 comma table 2, where we'll put the join condition. See, the same query we can write in other ways also. Basically, you can say that employee, we can write the employee as a short name E. Also, we can write department in a short form as D. This is called as aliases, because so many times the question has been asked what is aliases or how you can explain the aliases. So aliases are nothing that we can write the short name of the columns or short name of the tables. So same query we can write in a different way. You can write here select. So entire employee we can write here e.emp name. Department we can write d.did, we can write here department.dname from. See, we can create the aliases. So how to create the aliases? We can create like this. Department we can write here D, we can write here employee, we can write e.did, we can write here d.did. So there is no change in the output here. Here we can retain here the entire query with the entire name of the column, table name. Here I have written the name of the table, but it is the short name of the tables. So this is what this is called as aliases. So all about this join condition. If you want to perform join, if you want to perform join from two tables, we are using the equi join. So based on equi join, like how to perform the equi join, we can have common column name as well as the common values when you perform the equi join. So this is the equi join. Thank you and watch the entire video.